What is going on, everyone? 4 and 3 bros back with another video. Where are we going, Tyler?
Today we are going to pick up my ZJ from Jordan.
Nice.
So
nice.
we were going to get a free one off of him, but it needs a lot of work, and it's just easier. He's selling me his other one for a really good price. So yeah, we're going to pick that up.
That one already runs and drives.
Exactly.
The motor is not outside sitting.
Exactly. So we know it works. It does need a little bit of work, but I'll be able to get on the road much quicker and be able to get this rooftop tent done this year.
Yes, because we just started the video for my rooftop tent. We didn't get anywhere. We made an intro because we still have to figure some things out and stuff like that with the ladder, because it makes sense to make the ladder to get up there before we make the rack.
Exactly.
And then the tent and all that. So we're going to start with the ladder. That way there we can climb up. We can nut and bolt our pieces up there easily, and we don't have to deal with all that nonsense. But yeah, that's not what this video is about.
No.
This video is we're going to get the Jeep. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up, and I'm going to probably do a little filming here and there of us driving, and then we'll do a walk around.
Yeah, as soon as we get back with it, we'll do a walk around.
Sounds good. See you then.
Right.
We're leaving now. Tyler's got the Jeep, and I'll do a little bit of driving video here. So that's a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Tyler's all excited. It's got a brand new 3-inch lift and really good 33-inch tires on it. We got to put the rear track bar bracket in to get the track bar back in place. That way the axle is centered under the vehicle, because once you lift Jeeps, you got to address the angles of everything. So, but yeah, he's super excited. He's pumped. So he's been wanting one of these for a while. We'll see you at the house. I'm gonna get a little road noise, but Tyler's having a great time living the Jeep life. Hey Tyler, look at that fucking smile on this guy's face.
I love this thing. This is awesome. She starts right up. It's got what, 200,000 miles?
226?
Yeah, this thing is awesome. Absolutely awesome. It's rough around the edges.
We got to do rockers, as you can see, but the best thing about that is it's already half cut out, because we're gonna do the like the sliders, the 2x6 sliders. So
yeah,
but it's got a brand new 3-inch lift, really good 33-inch tires. I'm gonna step back here and get a dope thumbnail. Tyler, go ahead. All right.
I love it.
Do a quick walk around.
This is awesome.
Aftermarket headlights. It's got a good tread on the tire still. Literally a brand new lift. You can see the rockers are gonzo, but it's a Massachusetts Jeep, and we're gonna fix it up. Well, what do you think, Tyler?
I'm in love.
Why don't you go over there where we're not in the
in the sun.
In the sun.
Come to the backside. You can see it's got brand new shocks.
Brand new,
like
brand new exhaust.
3 miles on it.
Tons and tons of brand new parts.
Yeah.
Tons of brand new parts. But look at the smile. He's so happy.
I am happy. Oh yeah.
The Jeep bug caught him.
Oh yeah.
He doesn't know how real it is.
No, this thing's awesome. So it has some work that still needs to be done, but it's more content for us.
It is.
So, what were our plans on some of this stuff, Justin?
So what we're gonna do, besides fixing the sliders on the bottom there, we are going to all the plastics and the bumpers and show them the body line that we're going to use.
Well, we're going to use the wheel well right here.
And we're going to bed liner it all.
Right under the doors.
Yep, we're going to bed liner it all.
Just to hide all this.
Yeah. We're going to throw a mean detail inside.
Oh yeah.
And
headliner.
We're going to do a headliner. So in my Toyota, I'll run and show you guys super quick. My Toyota at Walmart, my beater, I just got fleece by the yard from Walmart. So now we both have sweet beaters.
Oh yeah.
sweet yeeters. And we're gonna put a 10 on this one
Oh yeah.
too. So
Soon.
yep.
This thing will be on the road very soon.
Yeah. He's happy. Caught that Jeep bug.
Oh yeah. Well, I think that's a wrap.
Yes, sir.